Hey, welcome to day 13 of the trip. Although the day 13 of the trip is 10 days after day 12 of the trip. Longest story there. As you guys know, on day 12 when I stopped, I was supposed to teach a 6-day course, like 2-3 day courses. I did that, but I also got sick, kind of like a flu type, either maybe corona or sad, we don't know. So I actually had to shelter in place for 10 days. I got a negative COVID test, so I know that at least either probably wasn't corona, but it was very kind of a bad case of flu or cold actually. Oh shoot! Uh-oh. I have a flat tire. Look at that. So good thing is that there is a gas station right in front of me. Going there, fix the flat before I continue. Okay, back again on the road. It doesn't seem like it was a flat. It was just low tire pressure. Well, it was really low tire pressure. So again, getting on the road. It's overcast. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. So this is a very bad uphill, and honestly, if I was on a regular bike, I would have a lot of problems right now. I'd be ready to throw in the towel. This part, hands down, I would give up. For my back, for not being able to breathe comfortably right now, for everything. So my hats off to anybody who has ever biked this area between Crescent City and Oric on a regular bike. So I just found out that I have a pin in my rear tire, and that is not a good thing. Front tire is very easy to fix. For rear tire, I have to take the whole thing out and fix it, and that's how it looks like. So that's the pin. If I take it out, all the air is gonna go out. Okay, found the problem. This has gone inside here. I'm gonna use a patch. So I'm gonna buff it first. I'm gonna clean it, make sure there's nothing under, put some rubber cement, and then put a patch, press the patch, and hope that it will work. This is what it looks like, and it looks pretty sturdy there, and I'm just gonna give it a few seconds before I start putting more air in it. Now for air, I have CO2 capsules with this. So I'll probably start pumping with that, and then after some time I'll get tired and then use the CO2. That one capsule is not enough for my size of tire. My tire are 20 inches by 3 inches, so it requires a lot of air. I have more CO2 capsules. Well, again, I'll start it hand pump, and then when I get tired of its uselessness, then I'll use the CO2. I'll take it from there. Okay, let's see what happens. So last time I used CO2, well, I was told that my hands will freeze, but then I didn't understand what that means. So here you see, it's all frostbites, because it's so, you see, these are all frostbites. That's how cold this thing gets. That's all frozen. When you use CO2, this is what happens. So anyways, that's where we are, all done. I was supposed to get to my destination by 3, and right now I'm getting to my destination by 3:35 according to this. So I'm about half an hour to 45 minutes behind because of the flat tire, but not bad, doable. They sell salmon jerkies, and I love salmon jerkies. Hello.
How you doing?
Doing great, man. How are you doing?
All right. Some jerky or some smoked salmon, maybe?
Jerkies.